Gia, Thugger, Boss. Let me holler at my G's, got a lot up on my mind. Been gone for a minute, but I'm back up on my grind. 3 years later,
there he is.
Way down,
Boy, Leo acting like he really want to do something.
65 pounds last time I
Jesse, be careful, because he about to come out of that collar, bro. That's the last thing I need. What you think, Jesse? A different dog? Different dog? Different dog? Hey, don't let him back out of that collar though. He about to back out of that collar. All right, Leo. He about to bite you. Leo, sit. No, man, that's too close. That's too close, Vince. God damn, son.
I'm posted on the wall, showing love to the city that made me. You bougie ass niggas.
She look like she ready to have sex with him.
When it's dark outside, y'all park you.
All right, that's enough. That's enough. Come on, let's bring him back out of here. Don't pull him like that.
I ride solo, bent auto Lolo, and club glow with the fofo under the polo. I'm not a ho no, yo, you got me wrong. Bush of that good kush got me gone. Red Bull and Patron, yeah, got me strong.